Welcome to Play Digital Signage tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find, download, and install your own custom fonts. Let's start out at fonts.google.com. You can search for your fonts, and there are a couple of properties you can set to find the font that suits you best. But in my case, I will just pick something random like the Oswald font. I can add one or multiple. Let's just add all of these. And as you can see in the right side, I now have Oswald in extra light 200 and light 300 and regular 400. Let's download all of these. And let's open up the Finder, double click on the file. Now moving back into our software, we will go into the library. Let's open up Fonts, upload assets, open up the folder, Oswald, and then the TTF file is the one that you're looking for, which is a true type font. Let's add that. It will upload, convert, and then if we move into our playlist, open up one of our playlists, let's add a background in white. And then let's add some text. There we go. There we go. And if we move into our settings, open up the font, you will find Oswald Regular down here in the bottom, which is of course the font that we downloaded from Google. It's that easy. Thank you for listening.